Hi guys, welcome to our channel, and if you want to use Google Docs, then this video is for you. So we're going to show you the way that a beginner can use a documents for increasing their productivity and in different fields. So first you have to go to docs.google.com, or you can just get this document from your Google Chrome browser. You can simply click on this 9 dot button here and you can find this docs here. Now when you are on docs, you can find different types of template that you can use. If you want to create a resume, then you can use this template. For Coral resume, this template is for you, and if you want to create a letter, then this is this template you can use. This is project proposal, for brochure, for report, anything for like different types of template shares for personal here. Like if you want to get a recipe that you want to present among people's your paid resume, and different types of work related thing like meeting notes, project proposal, and different types of meeting roles here, this that you can use. You can also create slides from here. You can create different types of things from here. Also documents, also like software licensing agreement, privacy and policy if you want. So you can do different things with this Google Docs. So first we are going to create a blank document here. So I can explain it to you. So here is the pages that you can use. So you can use multiple pages here. So or there is a way that you can avoid this page version here. So like I'm going to pageless. If you search here pageless, so it will disable the pages here. So you can create unlimited writing. You can add unlimited writing or unlimited paragraph without any type of pages. So from here you can also deactivate the page list here. So if you want pages, or if you want to count that writing in pages, so that's for you. Now from here you can find the file option here, where you can click on new to open a new document here. So you can open a new document or a template here. You can open a media or a file from your drive that you can integrate with. Then you can simply click on make a copy to make this document a copy. Then you can share it with people, like here from you can share with others. You just need to enter their enter your document name here, like test. After that you can simply click on save. Then you can enter that people's name, like these people here. So you just need to enter that people's Gmail, and you can set the role from here. You can set it for viewer, commentator or editor. Then you can send it to that person, the invitation mail to their email, so they can go to their inbox and they can accept your invitation, and they can actually access your Google Docs. So if you set it for editor, so they can edit each and every part of your docs. Or if you have select viewer then and commenter, so they can only comment on your docs, or they can only view your docs. So that's how you can also copy the link from here if you click on this copy link button. Then from files you can here file, you can integrate email. So you can add some emails here. You can make it a draft email here. You can download that document. You can download it Microsoft Word, like .docs file, or open document format like .odp, .rtf, .pdf, also .text. So whichever format you want, you can download it. Then you can rename this file from here. So then you can find more options, like you can add some shortcut in Drive. You can find the version history. This is actually new current version, and you can add some previous versions, so you can get that previous version easily from here. And it is make available offline. So if you want to access your docs offline, if you're out of net, then you can simply use this. You can enable this for your docs, so you can access your docs or make changes offline on your docs. So from here you're going to change the language and the page setup here, or you can print this by simply click on that. So make sure that your PC is connected with printer. Then here's edit. It is undo button here, so you can undo your edit here. You can redo it. You can reverse that edit here. Then you can cut, copy, paste and paste without formatting. So let me show you how you can use that. Let me show you something, how you can use your keyboard shortcut. Here I'm going to select a doc here. So for example, I want to select it, so you can hold your left mouse left click and select that section here. Then if you simply click on backspace, then you can just delete that from here. So for example, I want to write my name here, so I can, if you want to select all of them from first to last of these documents, so you can simply click on Ctrl+A to select all of them from here. Or if you select a section and want to copy that section, then you can simply click on Ctrl+C. Here I have just copied that. Now if you want to paste that text here anywhere, if you want, so you can select that place and you can simply press Ctrl+V to paste that name from here, paste that text here. Also, if you want to cut that, you can select that specific section, and if you want to cut that text or anything, then you can Ctrl+X to cut that thing from here. So just like this. Also you can use Ctrl+Z to undo and Ctrl+Y to redo. Now you can I have just also show all of this from here. And one thing is most important and useful is find and replace. If you want to find anything like I'm going to show you, you just need to simply press Ctrl+F, or you can simply go to edit and you can click on find and replace. Let me show you find and replace. So you can find this tab here, so but you can simply click on Ctrl+F to get that find button here, find for find feature here, so you can find anything from here. For example, if I want to change job, I can find it job here. So here is the job here, all of the job text here, so we can just move to that all of this title from here. We can change it, we can replace it by simply click on work, just like this. Then we can replace all by simply click on replace, or we can replace that specific one, that third number, or the second one, or the first one. So I'm going to replace all of them. Here you can see it has just replaced all of the job word into work. Now let's go forward. Here is the view where you can select the mode here, that if you are on editing mode or suggesting mode or viewing mode here. Then you can make it full screen from here. You can insert image if you want, so in your document. You can insert table, you can draw something if you want, so you can add your drawing by your drive, or you can simply click on new and you can draw anything if you want. So like this, if I add some shape here, just like this, so it's just like this, you can draw anything and save and close, and you can add that drawing from here. And also from here you can add charts and horizontal line and many more things you can explore. Now here is the format that you can set the formats, like paragraph style, so you can control the paragraph style from here, like alignment here, line and paragraph spacing. So here is something that you have to know, that you can select a text and you can make this in title, subtitle, heading 1, heading 2, or you can change the font style from here. You can change the font size from here. You can change it, like I'm going to select it. You can decrease it or increase that font size from here. And also you can make it bold, or you can cancel the bold here, make it italic, or you can add underline from here. You can change the text color by simply click on that here. As you can see, I have changed the text color from here. So it's pretty simple. You can also add some underline here or background here. You can insert link in a text by simply select that specific text, and you can click on this link button here. So you can add some link, for example this. So here you can see it has just turned into a link. So if someone click on that, they will get that link from here. Then you can add some images from here. You can set the alignment of all lines, so you can make it let me show you. If I want to make it mid, or just like this, so you can also make you can set the letter and line spacing here. You can add the check boxes if you want, so you can add the bulleted list, you can add the number list here, or you can add the decrease indent, and you can increase indent adds in your doc. So that's how you can customize the doc, and you can type anything if you want, and you can select you can customize it according to your needs or choice. So from here, if you go back, it will automatically save each and every step, each and every changes whenever you make on your documents. So that's the most powerful thing on Google Docs. So that's all for a beginner to know about Google Docs, how they can use it. Hope you got this. If you want more describing and more details and the pro tips for Google Documents, so you can let us know by the comment section. Now comment down below if you want that detailed video, then we will get back to you soon with that video. And right now, thanks for watching. Till next time.